On the 25th of August 2023, a delegation of the Nyotrap Youth Council HYC under the leadership of its president Robert June Kharjarin and General Secretary Roy Kupar Sunrem had met the Minister in charge of Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo, with regards to application of candidates to MBBS studies. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, HYC President Robert June Kharjarin said that as per information received from certain quarters, it was found that there have been applicants from the state of Assam in Meghalaya's general list of applicants to the MBBS course of study advertised by the government. He also informed that 4 to 5 applicants from Assam have also allegedly submitted their applications to the program through the state of Manipur. Based on such information, the HYC has therefore requested the concerned Health Minister of Meghalaya to meticulously examine the permanent residential certificates of such applicants and also to immediately address the issue so as not to deprive the eligible domiciled young people of the state of their right to higher studies.
Ini ke kendrum ke bami hapo jong ke health department menta. Kawingim la ban len kalong ba kadi gajing senjor jong kibor per ha kajing perking ban pek ya kajing rung bat ya kajing yosa jong kibriu kibawan nabar kumba pitip kumba menta ka LP rung emdon ke MRSSA ru 4 pentri kam hadu menta ka Directorate of Infiltration ki jongi ru philayo I hidal ki jong ki khmat na kapor sa kapor ki long ki basenjor ki dekat jong ki seng bahlang ki baper ni hab ban shu be thong ye kini ki poiwir ki barum bi ad na ko wi ka por sa ko wi ka por no blei kan ni ka system ka bangidon hadu menta kam pat biang pura ban yada ya kini ki bru bakin rum ka jala ka jong anda ki la yo rum ki la yo shong shi banai ka bakile ki kalong ba ki lek ban shong ha kini ki snong ki bala don bun pa kini ki poiwir ti kidon kisnong le se laga de po khasihil lane sha po garohil ya kaba ya ki kamrang pa snong labat da ki bomde ki trairi tremulo mo la de pin pe po khasihil ro kidon bun ki coach ki hajong ki rabha ki garo ki lane wat kidon tribal ro ki balabat ya kini ki kam snong kap thau ti kini para maki kini arab ban ai ki kot kisla pat kitang sulayo ikot kisla kasuk iki banyo adhar kasuk iki banyo epic lani bat kiwi kikot kisla ti ka jing bom don jong kanu kendon ka basai ha badi bat ka jing yo ya ka PRC ka bu jing ya ka jalahi brakui mentakin kilim ya ke MBBS seat kila ban kilim ke engineer seat kila ru ban kilim sudan ya ki reservation kuota ru aga jing thap kam jam lengba ka open kategori le lani lengba kino ki reserve kategori ni la yo I ya ka jing yo thit chaka jong ki babon ki brew la ki de ki try la de ki rulum lani ki bom de rulum kuma thamrat marwet ba de ki wi chaka ti ka por kala dei ya ka sarkar ba ka haban wan ra no ya ka kendon ka basai ha ka badi pat ka PRC ka jingkwa jongi ka sing kalong ba ban IPRC no ki brew khamtap ki bomdei ki trairi mulung ka bangingi kwa kalong ba lakum do ki dei ban shong hapo ka jala omduna ya ka arposnem lani ki kimi ki pa ki jongki kala shong la sa hane omduna ya ka apoprasnem no blei kumbo ang phi banyo epic ka suk perthim ta kisa nomor banyo epic ki don kaman pen sha ba ki don sispa propose ni ordinary resident la yo epic ti la datang la yo epic la aino ya PRC ka bu jing ya ka jelah ki bubun keliang tina keliang jong ga seng ni dawa ya sarkar ba kadi ban penmi no ya ka notification ke bobiang la ne ya ki kendon ke bobiang ki ban patai sai ha kanu kadur kini ki poiwer poi hap ki balawan ha mekhlia kin yo ya ka PRC no beli ka PRC ka connect sabun ki ka connect sa jing yo kam yo jam ka connect sa kaban claim ya kini ki ya reservation kata ka connect sa kaban hit ya khandu ka siap ka connect ru wat ha ka training license ba ki jekam.
In the meantime, the Health and Family Welfare Minister, Dr. Ampreen Lingdo, had also acknowledged the request of the Nyotrab Youth Council and informed that a meeting with Deputy Commissioners of Districts and other concerned officials will be held to closely identify and monitor the list of applicants to the state's advertisement to MBBS studies.
Ki HYC mene ki wan mania syong mania klan syapang katu kacimi katu ka kubor padon kita ki citizens ki ma apply ya kata ka MBBS seal tamba kila apply ru syakawai per ka state kila sya reject sya kata ka state ki wan biang sya ka state jungi ban apply ya kata ka MBBS seal ki ong ba ka bamla long namar pa kanu jengla ka ba sya ya ki nong song snong baki apply ya ki seats ki pendon ya kita ki permanent residence kita ki permanent residence certification PRC te semumat kumba kalong kumta kata kajing ya kana joki tingi hadin mengilayo ya kata ka jing jurip jong kisang malang ya kadika kam ngila pawat jing tip kamnya ti ngahap mensyong rengkat langbat on chief minister ru namar ba ada dan kum kata kacing syakano le singin numla ban proses taraya ki joki applications ki joki tang mangamla menle ka benta jonga yin hap man tho pan ya ka details na DC jong katu ka district ka bakiwan ti bagi officers jonga kin sawan ra ya kita ki details jong kita ki ba apply namar kata ka file kampat boy siya tang ba ngayah bagi ba lada don kanu ka jing mam syai ketimpareng yung discrepancies mdehi rupan ya cakman idi ban bu swa syarut ikum kita ki badon kum kataka jing syakano tat hadu bandala syai